Imagine this. You're navigating the world of data, and you're met with the challenge of retrieving data from an API source specifically for Power BI. It's not just about accessing the data. It's about authentication, data tables, and creating meaningful reports. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? But what if there was a solution that not only simplifies this process, but also enhances it? Enter Blackcoffer's solution, a Power BI app designed to streamline the data retrieval process. This app ingeniously requests the user's ID and password, returning the users and declaration table. The magic, however, lies in the coding. By using M language, the app obtains an access token from the login API. This token is then provided to the user data API and declaration data API, retrieving the data table from these APIs. Output. The tools at play here include the powerhouses of Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Query Editor. These tools, combined with the M language and DAX techniques, transform the data retrieval process from a challenge into a breeze. But Blackcoffer's solution isn't just about the tools and techniques used. It's also about the skills employed. The extraction from the REST API and data analytics skills are vital in making this solution effective. And with NoSQL and PostgreSQL databases utilized along with Azure Web Cloud Service, the solution becomes robust and reliable. So what does this mean for the client? They receive a working PBIX file, M language code, and another PBIX file that offers the SAML option. This not only meets their immediate needs, but also provides a prototype or recommendation for future use. All of this was made possible by the Blackcoffer team, a global IT consulting firm that delivers powerful insights and industry-leading standards. This project is a testament to their expertise and commitment to providing practical, effective solutions. In summary, the solution transforms the challenging process of data retrieval from API sources into a streamlined, efficient process. It employs advanced tools, techniques, and skills, ensuring the client can easily access and report on the data they need. The benefits are clear: simplicity, efficiency, and a robust solution designed with the client's needs in mind. So, the next time you're faced with the challenge of data retrieval from APIs, remember this solution. It's not just about overcoming the challenge. It's about transforming the process and delivering a solution that benefits the client. And that, in essence, is what the Blackcoffer team and this solution are all about.